How to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to add pie chart in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet where you have the student and marks data. Take a moment to review the information. Now let's create a pie chart for this data. To do this, click and drag to select all the relevant data points. Once the data is selected, navigate to the Insert menu. From there, click on Chart. A chart will be inserted based on the selected data. Typically a bar graph. On the right side of the screen, you will see various chart options. Since we want to create a pie chart, locate a chart type, options and select pie chart. Now your pie chart is created. You can further customize it by adjusting colors to make it visually appealing. To change the colors, click on the chart to select it. Then on the right side, look for options like Customize or Chart Style. From there, you should find settings to modify colors and other visual elements. And there you have it. You have successfully created a pie chart for your student and marks data in Google Sheets. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye-bye.